Alright, what's good YouTube, man? We're back at it again. How to put 3 times more muscle on your body or on your frame with this simple trick by Gymaholic. That's me. Alright, let's go. Today we will talk about the mind-muscle connection, guys. A lot of people work out and have no idea what that is, the mind-muscle connection. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna talk about what that is and how does it work. How can you achieve it, and mental cues that I used to understand the mind-muscle connection. Alright, what is it and how does it work? It takes a lot of practice, okay? If you want to become really good at it, it takes lots of practices. And yeah, man, you use your mind to focus on the muscle being contracted, which means squeezing the muscle and then lengthening it. I also wrote it here, especially the squeeze and lengthening of the worked muscle. Imagine for a biceps curl, which is the easiest explanation. If you use your arms, you need to try and think about really squeezing the muscle and lengthening it, because if you have that down, that's basically how building muscle works. That's nothing more than that. How you can achieve it? You need to pick a lighter weight and really just feel the stretch, as you're going down, and feel the contraction or the squeeze as you're going up. Slow down the movement so you have enough time to really feel it. Think about the worked muscle, and it works better with machines instead of free weights, especially for beginners. People who just started working out, I don't know, like 1 to 2 months ago, and need some guidance, and yeah, I feel like picking the machines instead of the free weights, especially if you're a beginner, is a lot better. And here we go, mental cues that I used. I needed about 2 years to fully use this technique. I slowed down the movement, I picked less weight, I used machines instead of free weights, and I mean that's really important, I really thought about the muscle being contracted and being lengthened. And yeah, I go to the gym for, I don't know, like 6 years now, and I needed 2 years, about 1/3 of the year of my entire gym time to really understand the technique. And once I did it, my muscles just blew up. I became huge, Alright, man, that's it. Like, subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions, what other videos you want me to do. And yeah, man, that's me. See ya.